In this video, I'll show you how to create this drip effect in Canva. Open Canva and create a new project. Let's use this image as an example. Click to add it to your page. Adjust the size and position as needed. Next, go to the Elements section and search for drip. Pick a drip graphic. Click Flip in the toolbar and select Flip Vertical. Next, resize and position it against your subject. Now, select the image and crop it to hide behind the drip. Then select the drip and change its color to match your background, white in this case. Finally, group both elements together. Add a shadow from the Effects section. Then resize and position it to fit. That's the drip effect. Thanks for watching.